Hey, folks! How you doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Good evening. I guess it's probably about 10 o'clock, 10:40 your guys' time. But let's take a look at the markets real quick and then move on. Um, S&P, another consolidation day. I mean, you can see here, right? We're just essentially in a flag pattern. The key is that we're holding over this last breakout that we had here, and we're getting no shake on this thing. It makes it a little bit tricky for trading. I actually I lost money today somehow. There were some amazing stocks that I could have traded, just did not hit them right, and the ones I did hit, I did not play them right. And that's the name of the game. Sometimes as traders, you'll have some days where you just don't make any money. What are you going to do? But the market itself is flagging. I mean, we're in a tight consolidation here. We're setting up for a powerful move. I don't know if it's up or down. That's beyond me. But as long as we hold kind of over this level, I think that we're in pretty good shape here for an upside breakout. Let's take a look at some stocks that we're watching. Mindspeed, right? Still same thing that we've been looking at for quite a few days. It looks like we could have a powerful move very quickly. Rest, same thing, needs to come out of this range. We had this huge thrust up, and now we're consolidating. I mean, this used to be a $4.20 stock at the last time oil was running at these levels. I think that this one's got some legs to it. Zynga, we've been goofing around with this thing for a while, but we just need to come out of this range, I think, and we'll probably have a 20 DMA test. GNK, same thing. We've had this on watch list for quite a long time. It's starting to look real good. I mean, every day it looks a little bit better. Orex, take this one out. Den, right? Yeah. Thrust, kind of chilling on this 470 mark. If we break that, we can hit 480. And then over that, that's where things get, kind of nice. The one thing is it's a restaurant stock. Restaurant stocks trade like crap. We're flagging here right under 580, looking pretty good. EGHT, I think this one's going to be in play. We had a nice day today. If we come out of range here, I definitely like this one for a quick trade. Maxwell, this 8 level I think is going to probably be key. Let's see if we can tap that. And then take 2, right? 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 4 tap. The more times we keep testing this 50-day moving average, the more likely we are to thrust up. Very nice day today, up 7% in the flat market. I think this one probably has a chance that we can finally break it. GTIV, huge move here from 6 to 11, so it's up almost 100%. I've got this on watch for a parabolic short. If we get a gap up or just a strong thrust up at the open, I'll try to take this one short and see if we can catch it for an intraday reversal. Aeropostale, right? Earnings beat down, been just kind of flagging here. Look for a move over 14, see if we can get this thing going. I think that might be the spot here to kind of get a little bit of a gap fill. Also, I'll be looking at this on the short side. Once that gap fills and we get a crack intraday, I'll look to short it back into this range. INVE, I almost took this into the close, but it looks like 14 is the sweet spot. This is an earnings play. LNG, I like this one. This one's a little bit hard to play, but you can see here, I mean, we're kind of just, we're coiling up here for a run. And when the stock goes, it goes. I mean, this is a large range mover. I definitely like the way this trades. ANIC, biotech stock, just chilling here. As long as it's above 14, if it can get over 15, I think that this one can be a trade. Kihu needs to at 18 spot. Flag him right over the 50-day moving average. RVBD, breakout, flag. Looks like a 200 DMA test very soon. Just needs to come out of range. Con, this stock's a classic earnings stock. When it makes good earnings, it just goes on good runs. We're flagging here right in this 21 range. I think that this one could come out pretty soon. This one's off the list. Now it's first pullback. If we can get one more gap down, I think that this one could bounce off that 28 area. And then Baidu's been just chilling here off this 130.